Anstruther is a small fishing town in the Kingdom of Fife, on the east coast of Scotland. Just a short drive from St Andrews, it looks out across the Firth of Forth, towards the North Sea and Edinburgh beyond. This picturesque harbour has a history stretching back hundreds of years. Today, the town is just as well known for its food as for its fishing. Visitors travel from far and wide for the award-winning fish and chips, said by many to be among the best in Scotland. Alongside its rich past and thriving present, the town is home to a scale model of the solar system, marked by 11 plaques that stretch along the main street. Each plaque shows the name of the object and a picture representing its size to scale. The plaques are carefully placed along the shorefront to represent the scale distance of each celestial body, from the Sun all the way out to Pluto. Together, they transform the streets and seafront into a walkable model of the planets, offering a unique perspective on the vastness of space, while always having a fish and chip shop nearby. The model begins at the Old Sun Tavern, just across from the lifeboat station. Here, the journey starts with a plaque that shows the Sun itself, scaled down by an incredible factor of 10 billion. A few steps away, we encounter Mercury. It appears only as a tiny speck on the background plaque, so small that it's almost invisible. The plaques for Venus and Earth show how similar in size these twin planets are. The scale of the model means that Venus and Earth are just tiny specks on the background plaques. The next building along houses the Scottish Fisheries Museum. Next to the window, another plaque shows how much smaller the planet Mars is compared to Venus and Earth. It's just another tiny speck, drifting in the vastness of space. Before we move on to the outer solar system, one more plaque shows the position and size of the dwarf planet Ceres, the largest body in the asteroid belt. It's so small that the plaque looks blank. As we leave the rocky planets behind, the spaces between planets widen. A few blocks away lies the plaque representing mighty Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest of all the planets at almost 140,000 kilometers in diameter. But here, on this scale, it's no bigger than a thumbnail. After a hearty lunch next to Jupiter, we continue down the shorefront to find a local pharmacy. Here we find the plaque representing Saturn, with its enigmatic ring system and some of its many moons. To find Uranus, we need to walk almost to the end of the main street. The plaque, weathered by the sea air, shows Uranus as a small blue dot. The last of the planets, Neptune, is so far away from the Sun that we need to leave the main street and find Dolphin Cottage on the Esplanade. Outside the cottage, a plaque shows Neptune as a deep blue dot, along with its moon Triton. Far from our starting point at the Old Sun Tavern, we find the last plaque, showing the dwarf planet Pluto with its moon Charon. Two tiny specks in a vast solar system. And so, the journey ends at the farthest edge of this little universe by the sea.